Hello everyone to our latest video here in our YouTube channel at Capo Marketing. Today I would like to talk about some SEO basics. That would be meta title and meta description, how to optimize your metadata. And for this video I thought about optimizing an article that Leslie had published a while ago about page speed optimization. And here you can see that we have a H1 heading and the meta title is pretty similar. Actually, I think there might be some automation in place. Let's have a quick look into the backend and see how the meta title is defined. And my guess is that it's probably the default Yoast setting. And as you can see, Yoast will just pull the title of that page and then have a separator and also add the site title. So what can we do here is we can just remove this and then define our own meta title. So as a rule of thumb, you can write about, let's say, 60 to 70 characters, including spaces. So since this article is about page speed optimization, you can write something like page speed optimization in the beginning. And then obviously it's about how to make your website faster. So this would be also according to Yoast SEO a long enough meta title, and we can also quickly check how many characters we were using here. And you can just either use Google Spreadsheets for that or Microsoft Excel and see how many many characters you can see in this cell, and that would be 55. So we could even use a few more characters, up to 60, 62, I would say, dependent on the screen. There can be also more characters displayed, but I think best practice would be really, let's say, to define up to 64, 66 characters. 55 is perfectly fine. So I think this is how you could actually use the meta title, define the meta title. And as you can see here, the meta description has been defined by Leslie. It looks really, really nice. And let's have a look also at how many characters she was using here. So that's 137 characters, which is also great. So why is this important? Because meta title and meta description are actually information that is being displayed in the search engine results. So those are the snippets that Google will display when, for example, somebody's Googling and your website is showing up, your web page, and then the blue title is actually the meta title, or I think sometimes Google would experiment a little bit with it and display something else, or even add your brand. But this is usually what Google shows, and also the meta description is the text below the title. Sometimes Google is automatically changing this, so I would still say that most of the time Google would display this defined meta description, but in some instances, dependent on the search query, the meta description would be also adjusted. So those are just some basic inputs that I wanted to give. Meta title and meta description, just very basic. You can define this very, very easily here in the Yoast SEO fields, SEO title and meta description. Next time I might talk about the URL, the slug, but I hope this was helpful, and talk again soon. Bye.